Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Guys, today I will show you how to buy pump token, PumpBTC. So guys, before start this video is not financial advice. So guys, do your own research before you take any action. To buy this token, guys, this token listed on Mix platform, this platform. I search for pump here. If you want to purchase this token, guys, you have this option, like click on limit, and from here choose the price available USDT here. Click buy option and choose the amount you want to buy. For example, choose the price, guys, and the amount, and click buy option. And the first step, guys, make sure you have is USDT. If you don't have, click deposit on your Mix wallet, and then select your deposit. If you don't have, select network, crypto, for example, and network, exchange, and deposit this minimum, and confirm. And the most important, guys, if you have, you should have amount in your wallet, and then confirm your buy option from here, and choose the limit option and buy option, and choose the price you want to buy from the price. This is how you can do, guys. Thanks for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Don't skip like and share this video for more content.